as members of Jubilee Party, and our presidential candidate for Jubilee Party is Fred Okengo Matiang'i, and tomorrow, Tuesday, and then on Wednesday, we're having our presidential candidate hosting all the other principals. We will have Gachagua, Kalonzo, Eugene Wamalwa, and the entire team will be here. Oh. We are starting our journey from Ekerenyo in Nyamira County, and then after that we come to Keroka, Keumbu, and then finally Kisii town. And then the second day we will also start our safari from Nyamira town. We come to Kegogi, Marani, Nyakoe, and then Suneka, and finally we will go to Nyamarambe. The final day, which will be on 25th, Wednesday, we will start our journey from Mugembo, Kenyanya, Nyamache, and then finally a place known as Masimba in Nyaribari, Masaba. We are making an appeal to all our people in Nyamira and in Kisii County to turn out in large numbers so that they can be able to receive our presidential candidates, Fred Okengo Matiang'i, and also Honorable Kalonzo and Rigathi Gachagua, including our sister, Mheshimiwa Martha Karua, will also be here with us. We are also asking each and every person of Kisii and Nyamira to ensure that we keep and maintain peace during the 3 days that our presidential candidates will be here. Ours is united opposition. We have an agenda, and the opportunity that we will have for the 3 days is to ensure that we propagate our agenda. And we have the best agenda that will be able to take our country, Kenya, forward come 2027. Indeed, the winning team for presidential come 2027 is coming from the team that will be here from tomorrow until Wednesday. Kenya Kwanza. Si ile mpango ambaye tulikuwa naye wala ambaye tulikuwa Kenya Kwanza, kwa sababu tulikuwa na manifesto. Na ile inafanyika ambayo wanaleta pesa kwa wananchi kusema ni sensitization ambayo wanafanya, si kitu ambayo itasaidia mwananchi kwa njia yoyote. Kwa hivyo kwa kusema kweli, ile ni kama kupoteza wakati kwa wananchi, kwa sababu si kitu itasaidia wananchi. Ile ni kutaka kupoteza mwelekeo, na ukiangalia ile lengo ambayo tulikuwa naye ni kama wamepotea. Kenya Kwanza ni kama wana ile agenda ambayo itasaidia